Ever wondered what really happens inside a real Ayurvedic wellness retreat? Is it just the massages? Or is there something deeper? Come with me as I take you inside an authentic Ayurvedic wellness stay. The journey begins the moment you arrive. A warm herbal welcome drink, the quiet calm of nature all around you, a gentle check-in and a short wellness orientation to set the tone for the days ahead. Your room is simple, comfortable, and built for stillness. No constant notifications, no screens demanding your attention, just natural light, soft textures, and a space designed purely for rest and healing. Next comes the heart of the experience, your one-on-one consultation with an Ayurvedic doctor. Through a detailed assessment of your Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, your unique mind-body constitution, they design a wellness plan made only for you. Each day begins before sunrise. Gentle morning sounds awaken the senses, followed by yoga to build strength and flexibility. Mid-morning brings wisdom talks, ancient knowledge for modern life. Evenings are for meditation, stillness practices that quiet the mind. And throughout the week, personalized therapies work on healing the body from the inside out. Meals are as intentional as the therapies. Fresh, plant-based Ayurvedic cuisine, cooked to balance your dosha and nourish you from within. Even cooking classes let you take these recipes home with you. Beyond the schedule, there's space to simply be. Quiet corners for reading, slow walks through the trees, birdsong in the morning air, the gentle sound of water nearby. Here, relaxation isn't a luxury, it's the whole point. And by the time guests leave, something has shifted. Lighter steps, calmer minds, real stories of transformation. This is what an authentic Ayurvedic wellness stay looks like. Not just a holiday, but a return to yourself. If you're ready for that journey, it's waiting for you.